Hi. Hello everyone, I'm here and I have nothing up yet. I have to open up Unity. I was just finishing up some homework beforehand. Oh. Wow, I see how it is. I see how it is. You're blaming the cat, aren't you? I like this music. I'm gonna do a music stream later, maybe tonight. At least just to get started. But I'll definitely be making something tomorrow. I have to go out and actually do stuff tomorrow, which I'm not looking forward to. But, you know, it's whatever. Alright, let's see. Hello, welcome to my desktop. We are going to open up Unity, because that's where we're at. I'm opening up the rowdy group too, because y'alls are there. Where's some of y'alls are? Man, I really do need more music. This music is just... oh, it's good. But it's repetitive because I literally only have 3 songs. Ah, we're back at the clock. Oh, so I added in subtitles, which I actually have to push if I haven't already. So now if I open this up, I'm going to mute the actual game. Now if I open this up, we get, this is not the right version. This is not the right version. What version are we on? Oh, we're on the level 5 branch. Okay. We have to push.
Okay.
So hold on.
So
I'm gonna open up GitHub.
And guess how far away I am from you? Ow. 720 meters.
Go to the game, and then we're going to go to we're gonna create a pull request. New pull request. We want to move main into level 5. Create pull request. Alright, we're adding the subtitle system to level 5. We'll create the poll, and then we will accept it, because we're essentially the only programmers, so we don't have to check anything. Merge. Alright, that's good. Now we are going to open up GitHub Desktop, pull, or refresh, and then pull. And then I'll click, and it's going to update everything.
I'm already almost home. 2 creepers blew up, but I'm almost home. It's also just because I got here. I just got here. Oh god, there's 2 creepers. 3. No.
Ah, the subtitles are in, yes. So we open up, we press play. Aha! The subtitles work. They're actually broken.
Didn't your mother ever tell you not to touch other people's stuff?
So if I press play, the first sub actually doesn't work.
Who are you?
Okay, maybe not in this
What are you
example.
doing here?
But in, when you go to the next level,
Don't touch that.
it doesn't
great.
work.
Now you've done it. Hello!
And I think that's because it starts down. I need to start it at open. And then it can transition to down if it needs to. Alright, anyways, we need to add subtitles to level 5. So I made it pretty simple. We have a prefab that has all the subtitle system in it. So we drag that, we're gonna drop it under camera, and then we gotta tell the narrator that the subtitles are right here. And now the narrator will instruct the subtitles to be subtitles. Ta-da! Subtitles are now imported into level 5. So, added subtitles. Commit to level 5. Ta-da! Excuse me. I am going to move the time up just slightly now. Nope, that's not time. The time. I'm gonna move the whole clock apparatus up slightly. Just so the subtitles aren't covering the time. And yes, the time is set to 4:20:69 because I can. Okay. So next what we got to do is we have to quickly save because we don't want to lose anything. I'm gonna go to narration, level 5. Why is the audio there? I put the audio in the wrong folder. So the audio is supposed to be an audio. So we're just going to move that. And then we'll open up level 5. And I got to open up the script on the side. And this next part is very tedious. And it's essentially just me copying and pasting stuff. So let's see. Script. Where's the outline? Level 5. Oh, we have to put the gear in the center. Gear would be in assets, sprites, level 5 gear.
Yeah. You're blaming the cat, aren't you?
I'm gonna make the gear small. If I put the gear in the clock, then I can actually zero it out. This is where the gear will rest. In fact, I'll put it on the hour hand, so now it rotates. Or no, should I do it on the second hand? Yeah, I'll do it on the second hand. So now if I press play, it's gonna go round and round as fast as the second hand.
I'm not gonna die. Okay.
This is cool.
I take that back. No! I don't want to jinx it. Did you die? No, I almost did. I just heard a very violent no.
Well, who's texting me? I should turn off my notice. I'm starting to think I should put on the minute hand. Just because that's the one that you'll inevitably move the most. So if we do it like this. That looks cool. And it just looks like it's a part of it, but eventually it'll become like a thing you could use. Alright, this box actually isn't needed.
Guess how far away I am from you?
Because apparently they got rid of the box idea before they removed the sprites. Which I didn't realize because I totally wasn't paying attention like 2 weeks ago. Or I guess it would be a week ago. But you know, whatever. Whatever. Let's work on the dialogue. So we have a new line. First line. We have something that it goes. Something goes after line 2.
That's a nice house.
These two lines go before line 1.
It'd be really awkward if they got on right now. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
So we start with okay. Wait, what line am I at again? Hold on, and then we'll go on to an on and wait. We'll wait probably like 1 second, just so it doesn't play the next one right away.
I'm already almost home.
When this needs to point to
Creepers blew
1,
up,
this will
but
point
I'm
to
almost
2.
home. Also just because I
And
got
then the next one is let's see.
Oh god, there's 2 creepers. 3.
Oh,
no.
here we are. Okay. Oops. Don't want to change that. And then we go on to line 3. See, the third one should be now all you have to do is tell me what time I am thinking of right now. And this is audio clip number 2. And then we'll go on to the next one. After that, we go into audio clip number 1. This needs to be this needs to point to 4, which is the next one. Then audio clip number 1 is now this one is so simple, even you can get it right. Then we will we'll go to 3. And then last line that we'll say in this sequence. Which will never get called. Or which will never continue on. Let's see, last line is TikTok player. Time is literally oh, these are the wrong audio lines. We're on level 5, so this is supposed to be 5-1. And then 5-3. That makes this 5-2. Oops. Now this is so simple, even you could get it right. What time am I thinking of? And then that's a hard stop. And then we pick up at 5. Here, I'm gonna leave the hard stops open. When the player moves the hand of the clock. Oh, you finally figured it out. And then, this doesn't matter. I'll set it to -1. So, oh, you finally figured it out is audio line number 4. And that doesn't continue on to anything.
Oh wow, wow.
Audio line number 6 does continue. First thing we got is the narrator shouting, "Wrong! Do you have the mental capacity of a 5-year-old?" So then on end wait. So now we're on 7, and 7 will point to 8. This will be audio clip 6. And then this one is a loud whisper of, "You want to know a secret?" And then we'll give like a 3-second wait there.
Okay, hold on. I take that back. No! I don't want to jinx it. Did you die?
And then at the end of that, we will have line number 7, which ends on a none. Actually, no, this one doesn't end. This one is just a long wait. Make about 15-ish seconds. That feels a long enough time. So this will point out to 9. You'll never know because every minute I think of a new time, which is true. Let's see. And then we have him saying, "Why don't you check the time?" Which is essentially the answer.
So, I spawned a new nether portal, apparently. And guess how far away I am from you? How? 720 meters.
Let's see, real quick. 12, we want to go to 22. 22. 13. And then 14, we go to
That's a nice house you have there. It'd be a shame if something were to happen to it. It'd be really awkward if it got on right now. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
oh, I was supposed to put in a another one after line 20. Let's see. Oh, here we are. Okay, narrator clears throat. Something's wrong here. I already screwed up. No.
I'm already almost home.
Real quick, why don't you check the time?
I'm almost home. It's also just because I got here.
Make sure that's actually the right audio
Oh
clip.
god, there's 2 creepers.
That's good.
No!
Why don't you check the time? Audio clip number 8. Good, good. Let's start from the top. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, here we are. Okay. All you have to do is tell me what time I'm thinking of. This is supposed to be audio line 1. And the next one is supposed to be audio line 3. Tick-tock on the clock. TikTok player time is literally ticking away. Okay. And then we wanted to add in a line before 4, which was this 21. Solve this puzzle and you'll unlock a gear which will help you in the next puzzle, yada yada. copy that. It's 21. No, that's not. This would be what's 21. But we don't have a 21, so we're going to set it to none. And let's see. I wish I could move these and keep the index the same. I have to redo this tree later, or in the future, because it is not that good. And I could do it in a much cleaner way too. I gotta figure out how to make a window that's similar to the animator. See, this one would point to 3, no, 4. And then we'll do on, wait with 1 second. And on 3, instead of pointing to 4, points to 10. So 10, 4, let's see, 9 points to 11 then. Why don't you check the time? And then we want, do you even know how long you've been trying to guess? Which is that's line number 9. So we'll do 5, 9. And then this one will go to 12.
Oh wow, wow. I see how it is. I see how it is. Yeah. You're blaming the cat.
Give 10-second wait. Next one is line 10. I actually feel a bit sorry for you. Ha! Not. This seems like it's gonna take you a while. Here's the next line. 14. Seems like it's gonna take you a while. It is line 11.
I'm not gonna die, trust me. Okay, hold on. I take that back. No! I don't want to jinx it. Did you die? No, I almost did. I just heard a very violent no.
Seems like it's gonna take you a while. We'll wait another 10 seconds. On line 14. Point to line 15. Seems like it's going to take you a while. The next line is, I'm going to go get a sandwich. You want anything? No? Which is line 12. And then we'll give them 30 seconds. And then this goes to 16. And then at line 12 would jump to line 22.
Okay. So I spawned a new nether portal.
Oh my god,
apparently.
this is so good. The deli across the
so
street
far
makes
away
the
I am
best
for you.
pastrami.
Wow.
This has no
720
audio
meters.
clip yet. I'll actually make this 20-ish seconds. Okay, next one is...
That's a nice house you have there. Shit,
Oh.
what's happened to it? It'd be really awkward if it got on right now. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
next one's a different line, you know the song. This one is an actual line that's been recorded. It says 513.
I'm already almost home. Two creepers blew up, but I'm almost home. It's also just because I got here. I just got here. Oh god, there's two creepers. Three. Right by. No.
Okay, audio line 13. And then we'll wait like 5 seconds this time. Then we have audio line 14. This is pointing to the wrong thing. That needs to point to 17. Make sure 15 is pointing to 16. 16 to 17. 17 to 18. Line 17 is, I would actually sing it, but you know, copyright. That's line 14, and then after line 14, we get line 23. And then line 23 is an end for this. So we're gonna hit none. Nope, sorry. 0. No, -1. And then we have we have nothing after that. Alright, and then the last one is when the player wins. There's 3 stages to this level, which makes it so much easier than the other one. There's so many stages. Finally! Exclamation point. And then we're going to add in that to that. This is line 15. After he says finally, he says took you long enough. Took you long enough is line 16. Let's see, now we will go to long enough. I thought we were going to be here until the end of time. Haha. Get it? Time? Excessive laughing.
Okay, hold on. I take that back. No! I don't want to jinx it. Did you die? No, I almost did. I just heard a very violent no.
17. Then we'll give him 3 seconds, and then we'll say, okay, grab the gear, we're heading out. And this line is also recorded, so good. We'll save it. We hit line 4, 18, and 22. Those are our ends. Now under the narrator controller, we'll just add this dialogue tree. And it should actually just work for the most part.
So I spawned a new nether portal.
So if I press play,
and guess how far away I am from you?
All you have to do is tell me what time I am thinking of right now. Now this one's so simple, even you could get it right. Tick-tock, playa, time is literally ticking away.
I just realized the muted lines don't have anything. It don't have a subtitle. Wait. And then on click is when we'll run a trigger.
That's a nice house you have there. It's a shame if something were to happen to it. It'd be really awkward if it got on right now. I'm gonna do it.
Let's see, we need a scene composer. How do you spell composer? I don't know. I am not a good speller. That's for sure.
I'm already almost home.
Script,
2 creepers blew
level
up,
5.
but I'm almost home.
Great,
Just because I
short
got
script,
here. I just got
level
here.
5.
Oh god, there's 2 creepers.
Composer.
3. No.
We'll just drag and drop this onto the scene composer. If it'll let me. It did. We don't need it. We don't need 2 of them, but we do want to figure out. We do need the clock. So, serialized field, clock, controller, clock. This will allow us to figure out when we win. And then we need a on click, public, void, on click. This can only be triggered once, so we'll have an epoch field. This will just keep track of where we are. Epoch always starts with 1. Or, yeah. No, starts with 0. If epoch equals 0, then we can actually do something. Epoch plus plus, and then we will trigger the narrator. We need a copy of the narrator. Serialize field, narrator, controller, narrator. Okay, so let's go back to the dialogue tree real quick. So we have it on line 4 is when it stops, which means line 5 is when the, oh, have you finally figured it out? Oh, there's 3 stages to us. So on click, we'll change to epoch. Okay. So this will go to a narrator dot jump to line 5. Narrator jump to line 5. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. And then we want there's an on click on drop.
Oh wow, wow. I see how it is.
Then we'll do on set.
Yeah. You're blaming the cat, aren't you?
If epoch equals 1 and narrator dot is talking or is not talking, essentially. Then we could do epoch increase and then 6. And he says wrong. And then we'll have an onset. Which is, onset is triggered whenever,
I'm not gonna die, trust me. Okay, hold on. I take that back. No!
whenever you do the clock.
Because you die.
And we need to, have a method to check. It's private bool is correct. So we'll have this figure out. See if it is correct. Then we jump to line 19. Epoch equals 3.
So I spawned a
then
new
we'll
nether
say,
portal apparently. And
jump
guess
to
how
line
far away
19.
I am from you? How? 720
Which will start the end dialogue. Is correct always returns false. Now what we do is we go to the clock. And then on a click, we go to the scene composer and we say unclick. And on an unclick, we go to the scene composer.
That's a nice house you have there. It's a shame if something were to happen
And
to
we
it.
run
It'd be really awkward if they got on right now.
on set.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
So I'm gonna quickly save that and let's see if this works.
All you have to do is tell me what time I am thinking of right now. Now this one's so simple, even you could get it right.
Object reference set, not set to an instant as an
Okay.
object. I forgot to put stuff in the scene composer.
I'm already almost
We need
home.
to pass it
Two
to
creepers
the
blew
clock
up, but I'm almost home.
Oh,
Also,
and
just
the
because I got
narrator.
here. I just got here. Oh god, there's two creepers.
Alright, that should work.
Three. No.
Oh, have you finally figured it out? Wrong. What's it like having the mental capacity of a 5-year-old? Wanna know a secret? You'll never figure it out, because every minute, I think of a new time.
I like this. I think this is a good puzzle. Alright, now we need to get the local
check
time.
the time?
So I gotta figure out how to get the local time. System.datetime.now. What does it return? Because I don't want global time. I want local. Okay, I'm gonna have it tell me the local time. Alright, let's see what this does. So this should do something on run.
All you have to do
Give me
is
20,
tell me what
45,
time
30.
I'm thinking of.
So 29, 8. That is local time. There's no AM or PM. That's interesting. So if it's I'm gonna have to change it. Or I'm gonna have to track local time. Yeah. I'm gonna track I'm gonna track AM and PM. Because I feel like that's more appropriate.
Oh wow. I see how it is. I see how it is. Yeah. You're blaming the cat, aren't you?
Okay, I need to go to the scripts. 5 clock. We'll have an AM PM. And then
I'm not gonna die, trust me. Okay, hold on. I take that back. No! I don't want to jinx it. Because you died. No, I almost did.
So if hour is greater than 12, how do I do AM PM? This is weird. Yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then if it's not AM PM equals 0, which means it's AM. And essentially, if it's multiplied by 1 plus AM PM.
Okay.
What?
So, I spawned a new nether portal, apparently. And guess how far away I am from you?
Ow.
720 meters.
Okay, that seems to work. So now in theory AM and PM should work.
Oh, have you finally
It didn't work.
That's a nice house you have there. It's a shame if something were to happen to it.
It'd be really awkward if it got on right now.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
AM PM plus 1. Should just be nested in.
I'm already almost home.
I'm not.
Two creepers.
It's
blew
not
up,
working.
but I'm almost home.
It's also just because I got here. I just got here.
Oh god, there's two creepers. 3.
Right by
No.
Where's start? Okay, so if the time goes up, AM PM plus plus, time goes down, AM PM minus minus. If AM PM is greater than 1, AM PM equals 0. And then if AM PM is less than 0, AM PM is equal to 1. Let's see, hour time to rotation. Let's do, oh, I'm not showing this on screen. Alright, so we have, what I'm trying to figure out is how to make this actually look right. So I'm going to make a new float and call it true time, true hour, which equals hour time multiplied by AM PM plus 1. So then the true hour is what's sent in. Now if we do this, it should, in theory, work.
It's just like. What is what's the cave noises? The cave. Are you listening?
Have you finally figured it out?
That's not right.
Wrong. What's it like having the mental...
It should be plus. Okay, so I got this wrong. It'd be hour time plus AM PM multiplied by 12.
Oh wow, wow. I see how
Which
it
means
is.
if it is 1, which I think is PM,
Oh, have you finally figured it out?
9, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 1. It shouldn't ever be 24 though. Should it be 0 or 24?
Wrong. What's it like having the mental capacity of a 5-year-old? Wanna know a secret?
Does it display 0 or 24? I think it displays 0.
I'm not gonna die, trust me. Okay, hold on. I take that back. No! I don't want to jinx it. Did you die? No, I almost did.
Date time hour
I
property.
sure very violent. No!
What does it return though? Mm, 0 and 23, right here. It says it right there. Okay, so that means we want our clock to be 0 through 23. So that means if it's 24, if true hour is greater than or equal to 24,
Okay.
true hour minus equals 24.
So I spawned a new nether portal apparently. And guess how far away I am from you? How? 720 meters.
And then we could use that string to figure out the time.
Oh, have you finally figured it out?
It works.
That's a nice house you have there. Shame.
Wrong. What's it like having the mental capacity of a 5-year-old?
I'm gonna do it.
All right. Good. Okay, so the one thing though is I want the seconds to actually be correct on launch. So we need to go to the start, and instead of random range for seconds, we're gonna do date time dot now. Or we gotta add in system.
I'm already almost home. 2 creepers blew up.
Dot now
Almost
dot
home. Also just
second.
because I got here. I just got here. Oh god, there's 2 creepers. 3.
System.
No.
Date time now second. Which should come out correct. So if I do this, Press play.
All you have to do is tell me what time I am thinking of,
Just,
right?
that is
now.
wrong.
Now this one's so simple, even you could get it right.
That's wrong.
Tick-tock, playa. Time is literally ticking away.
Why is this wrong? I think on set time we actually run a debug log. No. There's a debug log somewhere in here. Oh, it was in the level composer.
All you have to do is tell me what time I am thinking of, right? Now. Now this one's so simple, even you could get it right.
These are very
Tick-tock,
very
playa.
wrong.
Time is literally ticking away.
Those match. This doesn't. And it's just supposed to be close. It doesn't have to be exact. Within a second is good enough. I'm not matching it exactly. So I'm assuming there's something that I don't understand. So system date, time, now, second.
It's just like. What is what's the cave noises? The cave. Are you listening to some heavy metal?
Was it just date, time, dot second? Not date, time, dot now, dot second? Let's try it. So we'll go in here. And instead of that, we'll say date, time, dot second. Which seems to not be valid.
Oh wow, wow. I see how it is. I see how it is. Yeah. You're blaming the cat, aren't you? Fuck you, Andre.
Date, time, now, second. I thought there was a date, time, now, hour or something.
Okay, hold on. I take that back. No! I don't want to jinx it. Did you die? No, I almost did. I just heard a very violent no.
Well, then what's date, time, dot now? Why is this confusing? Okay, so according to this, I'm doing it right.
There's something. Okay.
What?
So, I spawned a new nether portal, apparently. And guess how far away I am from you?
How?
720 meters.
So I'm just gonna throw in a debug log. And I'm gonna turn that off. And just see what happens. Why is it doing what it's doing?
All you
It's
have
not
to
even
do
the sa-
is tell
It's
me
not
what
even
time.
the same. Man. It's not even the same. 20, 21, 22.
All you have to do is tell.
That was 28, 29, 30, 39,
That's a nice house you have
32,
there. Shame to see
33.
where it's happened to
All
it.
you have to do
Be really
is
awkward
tell
if
me
I got
what
that.
time I'm thinking of
I'm gonna do it.
right
I'm gonna do it.
now.
Why
Now
is
this
the
one's
time
so
wrong?
simple,
Why is
even
the
you could
time
get it
different,
right.
okay? Why is the time different? I don't get it. We tell it... Oh... That's the hour.
I'm already almost home. Two creepers blew up, but I'm almost home.
It's also just because
Fixed
I got
it.
here.
Oh god,
that's
there's
so
two
dumb.
creepers.
Okay, it should match
No.
now. I'm gonna turn on the current time in console.
All you have to do
It's
is
off
tell
by a
me what
second.
time I'm thinking of right now.
But this is so much better.
Now this one's so simple, even you could get it right. Tick-tock, playa. Time is literally ticking away.
Okay. Well, this technically works.
Oh, have you finally figured it out? Wrong. What's it like having the mental capacity of a 5-year-old? Wanna know a secret? You'll never figure it out, because every minute, I think of a new time.
Alright, so since that's working, first of all, we want to be able to access these, so public or should we use the string? We'll use the string. Or the we only want the I want to do this in a way where I don't have to use strings. So we'll have HT and MT time. And we want them specifically different. And we'll make them integers so they're smaller. And H time equals an int phrase of true hour. And then M time is an int phrase of min time. public sets, private gets.
Oh wow, wow. I see how it is. I see how it is.
Yeah.
You're blaming the cat, aren't you?
Fuck you, Andre.
Can I do this? On that? Nope. Okay, so I'm just gonna have those as two separate things. So now we can see them in our level 5 composer.
Okay, hold on. I take that back. I
So,
don't want to jinx it. 'Cause you died.
If clock dot
I just heard a very
h
quiet-
time is equal to date time system dot date time now dot hour, and we do the same thing but with minutes. Oh, did I set the opposite things I wanted as public? I did.
There's something.
It's public get private
So I
set.
spawned a new nether portal apparently. And guess how far away I am from you? How? 720 meters.
That should fix it. And then we'll just make it a straight up statement. If it's false, bam. If it's true, ba-bam. Okay, that's the puzzle.
All you have to do is tell me what time I am thinking of right now.
It'd be really
Now this
awkward.
one's so simple, even you can get it right.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Tick-tock, playa, time is literally ticking away. Oh, have you finally figured it out? Wrong! What's it like having the mental capacity of a 5-year-old? Wanna know a secret? You'll never figure it out, because every minute, I think of a new time.
I'm already almost home. 2 creepers blew up, but I'm almost home. It's also just because I got here. I just got here. Oh god, there's 2 creepers. 3. Right by. No.
Why don't you check the time?
Okay, fine, I will check the time. So it's 9:11 p.m. So that's time.
Do you even know how long you've been trying to guess? Finally! Took you long enough. I thought we were gonna be here until the end of time. Get it? Time. Let's just move on.
Okay. Sorry, that laugh at the end is great. to quickly throw in an update. If epoch is 3 and narrator dot line is talking. How do I get what line the narrator is on? At index. What's the last line? It's okay. The narrator's
It's just like,
okay. If that happens, then we'll load the next scene.
Are you listening to some heavy metal?
I still don't know the script to do that. You'd think I'd remember it by now. This technically goes to level 6. File build settings, level 4 is not in there. But that's right, technically.
oh wow, wow. I see
All
how
you
it
have to
is.
do
I see
is
how it
tell me what time I'm thinking of
You're blaming
right
the cat.
now. Oh, have you finally figured it out? Finally! Took you long enough. I thought we were gonna be here until the end of time. Get it? Time.
Oh, that laugh cracks
Let's-
me up.
Let's just move on. Finally! Took you long enough. I thought we were gonna be here until the end of time.
I'm not gonna die, trust me. Okay, hold on. I take that back.
No,
I don't want to jinx it. Did you die?
no, I almost did.
I just heard a very violent no.
Alright, so we want to make sure that is correct only plays once. I'm going to actually take out this epoch change. So epoch has to be 3. And then, yeah. Once it's 3, you can't restart the line.
Oh, have you finally figured it out? Finally! Took you long enough. I thought we were gonna be here until the end of time. Get it? Time.
Yeah.
Well, I spawned a new nether portal, apparently. And guess how far away I am from you?
Let's
700.
let's just move on.
Good, it doesn't restart. Okay.
That's a nice house you have there. It's a shame of something.
So we finished the puzzle.
It'd be really awkward if they got on right now.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it.
Okay, cool. Great job, guys. We did one puzzle. And that's actually going to be it for me tonight, because I don't feel like continuing. So thanks for watching. I'll see y'all later.
I'm already almost home.
I'm not.
2 creepers blew up, but I'm almost home.
It's also just because I got here. I just got here.
Oh god, there's 2 creepers.